how to fix Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con drift issue. So I'm going to show you two different fixes. For the first one, we want to go into System Settings here. Click on System Settings. Now you will go and scroll all the way down to System, and you just want to click on System Update. Make sure that this is the most up-to-date version of your Nintendo Switch. Now if you still have the drift issue, what you want to do is take off the controller which you're experiencing issues with and lightly blow around the stick drift. So you want to go like just very lightly blow, and if there's any debris stuck there, this is going to clean it off. Also, what you can do is get a wet wipe and just swipe it around the Joy-Con, and if any debris stuck there or anything, let's say that you ate something and got stuck there, this is going to clean it off. And the last thing that you can do is just move it around while you clean it, so counterclockwise and clockwise, and this should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.